Greetings from Nanwalek, Alaska. And in Nanwalek, much of our food comes from the land and sea. This is a practice known as subsistence. In this episode, we are going to focus on the reef, an important source of food for our village. During Sea Week, we go out on the reef to learn more about the foods that are important to our culture.
One source of food found on the reef is patakis. The Sugpiaq word for patakis is ojida. Patakis are found year-round and get bigger during winter. Patakis are known for chitins. They are found attached to rocks on the reef. You can eat patakis pickled, prepared in seal as a part of sushi, on a salad, or just about anything. Some people even pick them off the reef and eat it raw.
Another source of food that can be found on the reef is octopus. The Sugpiaq word for octopus is amigo. During low tide, people from the mall go down to the reef and hunt for octopus. Octopus can be found on the reef all year round. Octopus hide underneath rocks or in really tight places. One way to catch octopus is by grabbing it with your hands or by using a hook. Octopus is prepared many different ways, and it is a traditional food in our village.
Another source of food found on the reef is seaweed. Seaweed is grown in the spring and summer months. Seaweed grows from the middle of March to the beginning of April. If you want to pick in the summer, then the best time is June. After seaweed is picked, is dry. To dry it, you leave it in a brown paper bag or lay it out in a cookie sheet or a piece of cardboard. Salt it and leave it overnight. It's only available from spring to summer. You can use seaweed for soup, rice salad, sushi, or eat it with soy sauce and garlic. Seaweed is an important part of the native diet.